Hey everyone, welcome to Rasdipzzz. Today let's try out a quick pressure cooker chicken biryani. For that, let's begin by marinating our chicken. I have taken a half a kg of chicken. To that, add 2 teaspoons red chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon of salt. Coat the chicken with the masala and marinate it for 20 minutes. To a grinder, add 5 garlic cloves, a piece of ginger and 3 green chilli. Crush it. To a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons ghee. To that, add our crushed ginger, garlic and chili mixture. Saute it for a minute. Add 2 medium sliced onions and saute it. Add a teaspoon of oil or ghee at this time. Add a teaspoon of salt. When an onion is translucent, add a medium-sized chopped tomato. Make sure you do not take a sour one. After a minute, add a tablespoon of yogurt and combine it. After combining well, add a teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala. After mixing it, add a marinated chicken. Now combine all together. Cover and cook the chicken on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, combine the chicken and add some chopped coriander leaves. To that, pour 3 3/4 cup of warm water. Now add 4 cups of soaked basmati rice. I have soaked it for 20 minutes. Drain the complete water before you add the rice. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of ghee. It helps you to get a non-sticky rice. After combining, pressure cook it for 7 minutes on low flame. Now let's roast some cashews and raisins using a teaspoon of ghee. When the pressure is completely released, open our pressure cooker. Now you can see our rice is perfectly cooked and delicious. This is really quick and simple pressure cooker biryani. You can try it for your lunch. Now add a roasted cashew nuts and raisins and some chopped coriander leaves. Do try this simple chicken biryani and let me know your comments. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our videos.